And we don't want to strip these. And this is one of those times where in your mind you're like, don't do what you're about to do. But we are not going to listen to that because we are going to do what we're not supposed to do.
But we're going to take the risk.
We're going for it. First things first, we need to get the battery out of the way, which this has to come out. Oh man, oh man.
Well, that was easy.
We're starting off strong.
Give me like a 1 through 10. Where are you at?
I would say I'm a strong 12. What about you?
I'm at like a 12.5.
Oh,
I'm out exciting you.
You're out exciting me.
Yeah.
Well, I've had this all out before, and I can't remember what I did. You want to see what happens when you touch a wrench to both sides?
No, I'd rather not.
Me either. Scares you every time.
Does it zap you?
It don't zap you. It just arcs. A lot of the times you'll see like people's 9/16.
Oh, they have a mark on them?
Yeah, from where it touched. Okay, then this whole thingy-mabobber should come off. Like so. Get that out of the way.
Are those rat poops?
Those are rat poops, and it looks like nuts, which I never like to see.
Danny doesn't like nuts.
I do not. How to take apart a box.
Just pull real hard.
Yeah. Tug on it enough, it'll come out. Okay, that side's out. Okay. Zap out that guy and that guy. And that guy. I think this is part of
the problem.
Yeah, why it wouldn't come out. I'm not smart, but I think. Hey, look at that. This is what we're after.
As you guys saw from the last video, that's the little fella.
But we can't cut.
Yeah.
We can't cut these. As much as I want to, I
That's
can't.
bad, okay?
How the heck are you supposed to get that thing out of there? As soon as we get these lines loosened. How? I have a idea.
It's like impossible. Yeah.
Flip the wrench. There you go. Okay, now flip it again. You're just gonna have to keep flipping it.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Good answer.
What's in these lines?
Brake fluid.
That makes sense. Alright, we should be able to get that with fingers now.
Okay. Oh, yeah. There's one. There you go. I think it's a 10, but the 11-bit. Tight spaces. Tight spaces. Tight spaces!
This way, little booger. Gotta get these pants up, babe.
Is it bad?
Yeah. Your little baby shirt.
You like that?
Yeah. It's like you're fucking... Is that how you're trying to hold him up? Is by spreading your legs?
That's how I do it.
There, that's much better.
Oh my God, I just thought of something.
What?
Why didn't I think of this? I have a tool to make this a lot easier. And here I am using this.
Well, let's see it then.
A crow's foot. Duh.
Duh, Danny. How does that thing work?
It goes on like that. You put it on your little ratchet, and you go loosen. And then you just move it, loosen, move it, loosen.
Oh, I'm so glad you thought of that.
See how much faster that is?
That thing's cool.
Yeah, it's a lot easier than
What we just did that whole time.
yeah, we just wasted 15 minutes. Okay, so I think how this is gonna come out. Oh, it's gonna work. We're gonna push all these to the side, and we're just gonna pull just the pump. We take these three, then this should come right out. We haven't put away tools from the boneyard yet, so we're going. What would that be?
Wild style.
Yeah.
Get it out of your ear, you weirdo.
My ear itches.
Dude, this camera's just watching me the whole time.
It likes you.
It can't even see what you're doing, so it's...
You want to try to get these? Yeah, get up in here.
Where are they at? Underneath?
Yeah, the next one's right here.
Here, I'll just feel it out. Am I going the right way? That's righty-tighty.
You're going the right way.
Why does it feel wrong?
You're upside down.
Oh.
No. Like you're tight.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so
it's
okay,
so it's backwards.
Is it coming out?
It should be.
Be fingerable. We here at Motormates love fingering.
Speak for yourself, buddy.
Yeah, we like fingering bolts.
I can't control my
I want to know if anybody that's watching this has done this. The way I'm doing it, am I making it way harder on myself, or is this just what it is?
I'm sure that people that have done it a million times, there's shortcuts, you know?
Oh yeah, they're probably
everything.
yelling at their screen. All you have to do is take off this, take off that, and then look, it comes right out.
Just remember, guys, we did not look any of this up. We're just going for it.
Yep. I'm not a Googler.
I use Google a lot also. I'm pretty much a doctor.
You know, it is a handy tool.
Did you guys hear it?
I'm gonna pull these lines back and see if you can get that thing out of there.
Oh, why does it feel like
this
one? This one.
Okay. Oh, come on, baby. Yes. Get it out of there.
Oh, watch the GoPro.
Look at that.
The old Vanna White.
Okay, let's get it on the bench, which is a mess. We need to keep our module, but we need this pump. We got to take these Torx out, and they are a 20, which, look, it just fits in at an angle. Which, you know, that's a bummer. But then these ones, you need a nice long one because it's at a really big angle.
Right.
And we don't want to strip these. And this is one of those times where in your mind, you're like, don't do what you're about to do. But we are not going to listen to that because we are going to do what we're not supposed to do and hope it works. Because I don't have a long one. We need to get this car back on the road.
Yeah, because as everybody knows, gas is really expensive. And when you're just driving around a Dodge Cummins, that's expensive.
Yeah, so
a little bit.
What we could do right now, we could screw this up and it's going to be more expensive than...
But we're going to take the risk!
We're going for it.
It like goes on a funky angle too.
Hey. Will it, without stripping, will it break free? Oh.
Yes.
Okay, there's one of 8. This is at a real bad angle.
That's like, yeah, that's gonna work.
Okay.
Practice makes perfect, Taylor.
Okay.
Hopefully those ones aren't in real tight. Is this gonna be the same?
Let's find out. We got 4 out of 8. Non-stripped.
Can the GoPro see?
Yeah. All right.
As Axel would say.
Yeah. See, look, if we would have listened to our inner selves that's saying, don't do it, it's wrong, we would have been...
You guys see red flags, sometimes it's okay to just...
just keep going. Those red flags are just for the caution. Oh, no.
Did that one strip? We spoke too soon.
There it is.
Oh, my Lord. That one puckered my butthole.
We need to find you a better size.
Yeah, these are definitely a little big.
One size fits most.
Men.
Most men.
I have big hands, but not quite that big. You know what they say about a woman with big hands? Is that what they say?
I think so. Pretty sure. Like a sucker fish.
Stop.
You can't put that in there anyways.
Like a sucker fish? Oh, wow. I didn't know it looked like that. Pretty cool looking.
Let's see what happens.
Are all those clean?
Yeah.
How do you know which way it goes on?
It can only go one way.
Oh, this too. Oh no, that's just the bracket.
Yeah, there we go. It is now 8:43.
Exactly.
So let's just get it back in now at this point. Take those off. Those are 8, 6, 7. There you go. Close it off with this.
With my favorite.
Your favorite tool.
My favorite tool.
Remember how you took it out? You went kind of like that, hook like this in, past the lines. I believe you spun it around.
Should I kick it?
Hey, if you have to.
What the hell?
Oh, there we go. It's just a little bound up. We're going to use the Mighty Vac to pull the brake fluid through instead of bleeding it the traditional way. Okay, so stick that. Let's open up the line a little bit. I don't have to go any more than that.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, let's go traditional style. You know the drill, right?
Yeah.
Pump 3 times and then hold.
Want me to go?
Huh?
Want me to start?
Yeah. Are you holding?
Yeah. Again?
Hold on. Okay, let off. Pump 3 times, hold. You holding?
Yep.
Okay, let me check the reservoir. So we're gonna continue on with bleeding the brakes, and when we're done with it, we'll come back when we're done, or I don't even know what to say. I'm tired. And then we'll come back when we're done with that, and we'll make sure everything's good, and hopefully be done with the Focus. Done bleeding the brakes. Now this is the moment of truth. She's gonna fire it up, and we're gonna see if that brake pedal is nice and hard.
Don't make that sound.
You're neutral?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it hard?
Yeah. Heart. Yeah. I mean, before you guys, it would literally touch the floor.
Now it's rock hard.
Like these muscles?
All right. We were right.
Oh, we're knucking.
Oh, high five.
Knuck.
Awkwardness.
Oh.
All right. Well, that means our $25 ABS module pump worked. And we were going to put a over $100 master cylinder on it for no reason.
Saving that money.
That'd be superb. No, get off the car.
Oh, this.
Man, the camera gets on him and he doesn't know what to do. It's like my hand
He's
just
a star.
just goes wild.
He's a star.
But yeah, so with that being said,
Like, comment, subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, see you guys later.